Hi fam, it's your mentor Josawa here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 free tools, alright, you can use that is going to help you to become profitable 2025. If you're a complete beginner, these are the best tool and they are all completely free. No need to pay even a single dollar. You can download the app from your mobile phone if you don't have a computer. If you have a computer, you can use the website, or you can also install the Chrome extension. Alright, so without wasting time, let me just start right away. If you have any question, ensure to drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond. So you come to App Store if you have iOS or iPhone, and if you have Android, you use Play Store. Alright, Google Play Store. So the first app is going to be Investing.com. Alright, you are seeing here Investing.com. You just type in here, then you are going to see this app. So I've already opened this one. I've installed this one. Investing.com, this app is used for news trading, for economic data. As you already know, forex trading entails currencies. So you it is very important for you to know what is happening at that particular country. All right, in that particular country, for example, let's say US dollar. You want to know what is happening in the United States, because if good things are happening in the United States, then the dollar is going to increase. If bad things or negative things are happening, the dollar is going to lose value, which means it's going to depreciate or decrease. So you just tap opened. Yours is not going to be like this. You need to first create account before ever you can see all this stuff. I already have video which I explain how to create account and how to go about customizing or setting up this account, so you can just use this. So there is paid version, but no need to use the paid version. You can just use the free version. This is the free version. The only thing, you are going to see these few ads, but you're not going to spend a long time here. For example, this is today. All right, this is today. You have news for GBP. So if you are someone that is trading any currency pair that contains the Great British Pound, you need to be aware. This is EUR, this is USD. So this shows you the time, it shows you the currency, and this is the event. If you want news for tomorrow again, so you can see tomorrow there's news for JPY. For example, let's say you are trading GBP JPY. At this particular time, you need to be careful. So this is the first free tool. Ensure you just install this one and you just watch the video. Just go through the channel. I'll try to place the link in the description of this video so you can watch and arrange your account. All right, this is just for economic data. Then let's go to the next tool. The next tool, now you are going to go to any chat engine. You go to Chrome. All right, when you come to Chrome, you are going to type Forex Touch. All right, Forex Touch. As you are seeing, you can type Forex Touch or Forex Touch market hours. So this platform helps you to know you are a beginner, and sometimes most beginners find it very difficult to know which session is this. We have 4 sessions. We have the Asian session, right, which has to do with Sydney and Tokyo, Australia, and that of Japan. Then you have the New York session, the London session, and all. So sometimes you don't know. Let's say now you are in Nigeria or you are in Sierra Leone, and you want to know when is this session going to start, when is New York going to start, when is London session going to start. So this platform is going to help you to know which session is currently ongoing. So this is the platform. You click. When you click now, you are going to see, when you scroll here, you're going to see Sydney session. These are the Asian session. This already closed, and Tokyo session is currently closed. So this one currently is open, the London session, right, which is the best if you're in Africa, the London and New York, cause this is when most people are trading, and it is very volatile, which means you can make a lot of profit or also a lot of loss. So you scroll down. To make it very easy, you see Forex market session time currently opened or closed. So this is the session, Sydney, it is closed. When you are going to even see when is this session going to start, it opens in 10 hours 32 minutes. This is Tokyo, opens in 12 hours 32 minutes. So London session is currently opened, as you are seeing. It closes in 6 hours 32 minutes. So let's say now you are in Sierra Leone, or you are in Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Uganda, or anywhere. You already know okay, I can still trade this London session because it remains 6 hours for this one to close. Then you have New York session. Currently it is closed. All right, it's going to be open in 2 hours. So let's say you want to trade New York session. You don't know when to start trading, or you just need to come to this platform, check within 2 hours 30 minutes New York is going to open, then you can just go ahead and trade. So this is going to help you for your session. It has like more tools. If you come to the top, you come to the top, you can see like different one, like forex spread, forex market hours, Fibonacci calculator and all. This is margin calculator, pip calculator, and a whole lot of stuff. You can explore them. I will try to do a complete tutorial about the different tools in that particular platform. All right, so the third application is you go to this again and you try to what, type trading view. All right, you just go here, type trading view, then you tab in, then this is what, the trading view. So this is what you can use to analyze your market. Okay, you can use this to analyze markets. Like there are a lot of tools here where you can just analyze before ever you place a trade, whether you want to buy or sell. So you install, and this is what you are going to see. All right, there is paid version, but I've been using the free version for the past 2 years, and it is what, very comfortable. All right, if you want to like go for the pro probably in the future, then let's say you want to analyze now, like this is what, ZAO USD. Okay, this is gold, so you can just analyze what this your chart here. Let's say this one, for example, say okay, this one is what, in a uptrend. So you want to look for what, buy, or you want to look for sell. It has like what, lot of tools here. Your trend line, let's say you can just what, use this. Okay, you see, you can draw what, your trend line here. You can do different things. I already have a video about this one as well, so ensure to check my previous videos. You are going to know how to use trading view. There are a lot of stuff which you can do with trading view. This is the platform where you can draw your support, your resistance line, you use your trend line, you just do different stuff here. So ensure you check that out. This is the third app. Okay, then the next one app is, you want to go again to App Store. We are going to, you type forex calculators. Okay, forex calculator, then you install this one with the FX. It is very important. Just like what, install this one is going to help you in terms of risk management. Let's say you have $100, you are going to know how much money you are supposed to what, risk per trade. All right, it's going to show you the exact lot size. So you just tab next here. So you select the currency you want. So most of the time we already know is what, USD. Forget about this one. You also select the leverage of your account. All right, let's say you are using the broker which I'm using. I'll talk about that shortly. Let's say I'm using leverage of 1:1000. You select and you just press next, and yeah, you continue, not to track. So you have different calculators here. You have the position size, stop loss and take profit, margin, Fibonacci, pivot, profit and loss, compound profit. I'll try to do video of each and every one of them into details. So you come to position size. Now the account currency, let's say your account currency is in USD. If it is in Naira, you just use Naira or any other one. Then let's say you want to trade like USD JPY. This is the currency the currency pair which you want to trade. You enter, like you have like what, $100 in your account. Okay, this is the total account balance. How many percent you want to raise? Let's say I want to raise 10%. All right, then you can also use what, your stop loss. What's going to be your stop loss? You have already used trading view to analyze, so you now know your stop loss. Let's say $5. All right, let's say stop loss of $5. Then you come here, you press what, calculate. So this is the currency pair. The risk amount is going to be $10. All right, then you can see these are the different lot sizes. Either you use what, 0.03 or you use 0.3. all right, so you can see here for standard lot, mini lot, micro lot, and all. All right, if you want to see more results, you can see what, more results. If you want to know about these lot sizes, I have videos about this as well. So I'm just trying to show you the app. So you watch this video, the previous videos about these lot sizes, then it's going to give you complete understanding about the process. This tutorial is just for the free applications I'm talking about. Then let's go to the next app. The next app you want to use is, now you want a demo account. If you're a beginner, you want a demo account. You don't want to start trading a real account. So you just go to my YouTube channel here, you see this link, or any of my videos, you just click, you are going to see this link, you click here. So now you try to create your brokerage account. If you don't have, this is the best indices broker. All right, if you click here, you use the link to create your account. This is affiliate link, is the way in which you support the channel. Then this is what for currencies. Okay, you can also sign up for Bybit here. This for, like, you come here, this is my Telegram community. If you want to join the Telegram community and all, you can join. If you want to send me a message, send me a message by Instagram. Okay, then you can just click here, any one of this, then you go ahead and create your account. I have video on how to create Binance account, also how to create Xness, how to create and derive for you to trade synthetic indices. All right, so the reason why you are supposed to use demo account is you want to understand the platform. Okay, you want to understand how the platform operates, how to deposit fund, how to withdraw fund. You want to practice how to use the proper lot sizes and all, because if you use real account, you are going to lose money without having the right knowledge, and you don't want to trade demo accounts for long. You can watch my previous video, I explained why. Then let's come to the next tool. This one is very important. This is what my YouTube channel. If you're a complete beginner, all right, if you're a complete beginner, this is the home. You come to what? Playlist. You come to playlist, you are seeing trading psychology, you are seeing synthetic indices. All right, you are seeing trading strategies. If you press the strategies, you are seeing I have what different videos here about demand, supply. These are different strategies. So you need to understand technical analysis. For you to understand technical analysis, this particular YouTube channel is what a good start for you. You can see also about news trading. This is the one I'm talking about, Xness. So if you want to know how to create Xness account, this is the video. How to connect your Xness to MT4, MT5. All right, how to move money from Binance or Bybit to Xness. These are all stuff here that are available here. Okay, so you can just check these ones and you see. So this is the tool for technical analysis. Then we move to the next tool, which is what? MT4 or MT5, in case you want to understand about technical indicators. For example, let's use this MT5. All right, so if you open here, currently you are seeing no indicator. If you come to the top where you are seeing this F, you press, you are seeing what? Different indicators. This is the Bollinger Band, the envelope, moving average. All right, you have different ones. These are for trend. All right, if you want to know the current market trend, these are oscillators. The one that I use here is what? The stochastic oscillator, and I use also MACD. I have videos on these ones as well. Then you can just check this one. I also use this once in a while, this awesome oscillator. I don't have video currently on the channel. I'll try to do video in the future. If you have any question, guys, just ensure to drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. All right, so if you have also any other video you want me to do, any topic you want me to talk about, just ensure to drop them in the comment section, and I'll try to read through and I'll see the ones that are worth making video of. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm Josao, all right, from Sierra Leone, West Africa. And also the next mentorship is going to start January 6th. That is batch 9. If you are interested, send a message by Instagram or Twitter, X. The just Joseph Say Concept, the same name. My accounts are all verified. The fee was $100. Now it is what? $40. So make use of the opportunity. Thanks a lot, fam. See you in upcoming tutorials.